Here's the Chevy Equinox. Let's go ahead and get started. Open up the driver's side door. Right over there is a primary hood release lever. Pull it. In front of the vehicle on top of the Chevrolet emblem, put one finger there, point it down, push it right. Like this, just put it inside there and lift up the hood. This is how you do it. Put it in, point it down, push it right. Now once the hood is open, grab the prop rod from over there, put it right over there in that slot and let it go, and now the hood is secure. Once the hood is open, that right there is where the engine air filter is. To access it, we have to undo 4 bolts. One over there, and as you can see, you can either use a Phillips head screwdriver for this or a 7mm socket ratchet combination. Get a long extension if you're going to use a socket ratchet combination. This makes it easy. Let's go ahead and loosen this bolt. Now this bolt will not come out. It'll get loose, it'll be moving around there, but it won't come off. Now let's just repeat the process for the other 3 bolts. Second one there, the third one is over there, and the fourth one is right over there in the back. Now once all these 4 bolts are like loose, you'll be able to lift up the top part of the airbox, and this gives you access to the filter. Just grab the filter and get it out, and it should just come right out. Now the top side is the clean side, the bottom side is the dirty side. As you can see, it's all dirty there. So the way it works is outside air comes from the bottom, the dirt gets trapped there, and then clean air from the top goes in the engine. Check the link in description to buy the new one from Amazon for yourself, and let's go ahead and put it back into the airbox. And note the position of the little notch. It faces the back of the car. This one right over here. Once the filter is sitting in properly, you'll be able to put that top part of the airbox back in place, and then tighten those 4 bolts down. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and that is pretty much it. To close the hood, first push on it, get load off the prop rod, get it out of that slot, put it back in its place and press it down, lower the hood and slam it shut. Hope you found it useful. Before we go, let me give a quick shout out to Naya Motors Inc. for letting us use the car today to film the videos. They are a used car dealer here in Ottawa, Canada. Check out the link in the description for their entire inventory.